In this video, you'll learn how to acquire USDT on Binance. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to fund your account, execute trades, and successfully obtain USDT. To begin, ensure you have funds available in your Binance account. You can deposit either fiat currency or cryptocurrency into your spot wallet. To do this, navigate to the wallet section located in the top menu. Click on Fiat and Spot to access your wallet overview. Once here, check your available balance to confirm that your deposit has been credited. This step is crucial because you need sufficient funds to proceed with purchasing USDT. Next, you will want to engage in spot trading. From the Binance homepage, look for the trade option in the main menu, hover over it, and select spot from the drop-down menu. In the trading interface, you can search for the trading pair you wish to use, such as USD/BTG or USD/BNB. Enter your chosen pair in the search bar located on the right side of the screen. Once you find the pair, click on it to open the trading interface. This screen will display the current market price and order options. After the trading interface loads, it's time to buy USDT. In the buy section, you will see input fields for the amount of USDT you want to purchase. Enter the desired amount based on your available balance and click on the buy button. If you are using a market order, your order will execute immediately at the current market price. Once the order is executed, a confirmation message will appear indicating that your purchase was successful. Now that you've completed the transaction, you should check your spot wallet to confirm that the USDT has been credited. Return to the wallet section and click on Fiat and Spot again. Scroll through your asset list to locate USDT. This is important to ensure that your account, if the USDT does not appear immediately, allow a few moments for the transaction to process fully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.